This is your temperature control. So you can see that's on maximum, and as you turn it around the lights aren't illuminated, so that is showing you, but you can also see on the dial. That's your oven control. So that's your temperature selection on your oven, which needs to be kept pushed in until it stops clicking, so then you know it's lit. And then that's, so it goes right round to 250. Again, I'll get the gas switched on now, and we'll show you the fridge working and the oven working as well. So the gas is on now. I'll just show you the control for the gas fridge. Just wait for that to ignite. So I've switched the gas hob on, which will draw gas through, so that it'll help the fridge to draw gas through as well. Okay, so it's stopped clicking. That's now lit on gas. I'll just ignite the oven as well. You can see that's lit there. You need to keep the button here pressed in for a short time to get the thermocouple warm. So that's that working on gas. Okay, so onto the rear bed area. So this is the rear bed. The same control as the front one. So you press this button. You can see that's very slowly rising, but the mattress is stuck in it. Let's have a look. Probably better to show you in the corner there. So that's actually in its highest position. So I'll try and bring it down. Probably hard to see because it's moving slowly. So that's reducing the space in the garage, but giving you more access and easier access to the bed. So that's in its lowest position now. You can probably see, because the garage doors are open, that it's the bed is now a lot lower, so that makes it easier to get in and out of this position here. One last thing just to show you, which I omitted to when I was outside, is the wastewater drain. So that is, can you see here where we are on the vehicle? So that's the wastewater drain pipe, and that's the tap for draining it. So it's actually been in the open position. I'll close it. So that's in the closed position. Oh, sorry, all the way around. That's in the open position, as you can see. That's now in the closed position. So that concludes the video. Hope it's been helpful. Any questions that you may have, if you make a note of those, I'll be happy to answer those on the day of collection. Thank you.